Hello everyone, this is Maadarani and I am very excited to share with you my half-day workshop that I'm delivering at the SharePoint Fest in DC. SharePoint Fest is held in DC from April 28th to May 3rd, and my workshop will be held on Monday, April 28th in the afternoon. It's a half-day workshop. We'll be talking about OneDrive deployment start to finish. Initially, we'll start the workshop talking in general about OneDrive. We will cover all the new features have been delivered by the Microsoft product group in the past 12 months. Then we'll talk about security and how we can secure OneDrive and your content, how we can securely share content within the organization and outside the organization. That will go into the OneDrive Admin Center. We'll talk about how you can manage OneDrive, and then we go into the deployment, how you can deploy OneDrive within the organizations, how you can upgrade OneDrive if you deploy the previous client of OneDrive, and how you can upgrade that to the next gen sync client. Or if you have not deployed OneDrive at all, we have a few options. I'll be talking about the autopilot, how it can deploy OneDrive within the Windows autopilot, doing a silent config and a silent install, and how we can optimize the sync client within the organizations. And we will end it with SharePoint and OneDrive, how they can integrate together, how you can sync content within SharePoint, and how you can use it with metadata. And we will be talking about Microsoft Teams and OneDrive, how they both fit together and they work great together. So lots of demos, a lot of great content. I'll be looking forward to seeing you at the SharePoint Fest in DC with my workshop on Monday, April 28th. Looking forward to seeing you all. Thank you.